Hey folks, welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. Hey, today I'm going to show you a really quick way to improve production from your solar panels and also give them a longer life. And that is just by cleaning them. Now when you get solar panels, they do require a little bit of maintenance. That maintenance is mostly in cleaning them off. What happens is you get a lot of dust. The dust and bird shit and other things tend to settle on your panels. When it does that, it reduces production. You're not going to get as much out of your solar panels. And as it gets hot, like it is now, we're above 100 degrees. Solar panels are bench tested at 77 degrees. That's where they like to be kept. When they start getting over that, and especially when it gets above 90 degrees, they start losing efficiency really fast, like 1% per degree over 90 degrees. So you can see that you could lose a lot of efficiency. So by just spraying off your panels like this, which I do just about every day in summer, because my garden beds and flower beds are out here, I'm watering them anyway. So spray off your panels, get the dust and bird shit off of them, but also this cools the panels back down. So if you do this in the afternoon when it's at the hottest time, you come out and spray off your panels like this, you can get anywhere from 5 to 20% more production out of your solar panels. All right, folks, have a great day.